Hey guys, this is Corey Bysted over at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you this awesome Arctic Fox 29 5K. So one of the things I really like about this brand is they stay very consistent on the way the fifth wheel looks. Just visuals we're talking about. Many years ago, it was still the same sort of feel. What's really nice is that these are really valuable when you bring it back to us to trade it in, because they almost look the same as the new ones. Now, products that change the way they look entirely every single year, 2 years will pass, and when we see a 2-year-old one come in, we're like, oh, that looks so old. That's so 2 years ago, right? This, when it comes in on trade, the new one in 4 years is probably gonna look almost exactly the same as this. So these have very, very good trade-in values. Not to mention the fact that they're extremely good quality. If I ever get a customer that's talking about wanting to go to the snow or being in extreme weathers, this is the brand that I first think is probably the most appropriate. I have a lot of Four Seasons products out here, but if they are all of a sudden start talking about like snow trips and like crazy things like that, I'm bringing them to this product. This is the most Four Seasons product we have. Their trailers and their fifth wheels both are very, very quality. Now, coming up over here, we have a solid step. Very nice. So, solid. If you haven't seen these, I don't know where you've been this whole time, because most people are doing it nowadays. So here's your little closet for your like coats and stuff. Looking up further, you have a door that encloses your control center so you don't have to see it. By the way, everything is solid wood in this product. And then you have the storage cubby up here. Some people say, like, what are you gonna put up there? What I say always is like, well, they could have just given you nothing. So might as well give you a space at all. Now, one of the things you'll notice right here is they're using like dovetails right here, joints to put this wood together. Just a small little thing to show you how every cabinet door is built. Shows you quality. Also, their hinges are kind of nice too. Hinges are always things that go wrong. Look at these ones too. These are really nice. They're laid in there. So in terms of the longevity of cabinetry, this is always gonna last really long. They use screws, not staples. They do a very good job on like quality in terms of the feel inside. Now this is the layout. So this is one thing that I always point out that I love. I wish everybody did this. They do the cabinetry on the fridge, so you don't like feel like you have this big silver appliance in the middle of the room. It's just kind of blends in and gives you this homey vibe. I really like that, but just to give you some reference, here's how much space you have right here. This is fantastic. Now this is both gas and electric. It smells brand new. So it's both gas and electric. So you're gonna be able to choose what you're gonna use that way. Now right here we have a really awesome cooktop. It's like laid on top like this, and it's separated from your oven. And then you have your oven below. Now they've switched up their backsplashes a couple times. So this is their new one. It's just gonna kind of go right there, protect the wall up a bit. I really like the kind of the gray, it just ties things together. They're good at style. They're good at making a familiar, homey vibe. Now, even though the market has switched to where they went to like a so dark wood that everything was like black in most products, these guys stayed just like this. Nowadays, they're switched to where almost everything is like roll painted white. These guys stayed just like this. It's always a very familiar, inviting, homey experience in here. This is a great product if you're gonna like live in it or something. Moving on, because I'm getting distracted. Here's these little like bend out ones right here. Then you have all these right here. That's $4 extra. This one right here that I'm destroying the paperwork. You didn't see me do that. This right here, this is actually a backup camera setup. So this is prepped for it and all that stuff. You have this stays in the truck with you and this mounts to the back. I will mount this up for you, so you don't have to worry about that. And then right here we have the bottom shelf, it looks like there's some extra battery cables and extra parts that need to be fastened on there properly. But anyways, that's your kitchen setup. Now here's your table setup. This is actually really great. There's like this little extension part. I wish you guys could feel this. You should come see this rig so you can feel how sturdy this is. Usually table extensions aren't really strong feeling, but I have to like push to get that to go in. And that like is that's as solid as the rest of the table. That's super nice. I can put somebody right here and they can put their plate right here and not worry about like riggedy weird tables. So I really, really, really like that a lot. Now you can go like this. See, it's kind of hard. Pack it away. That way we can pull our slide in and we don't hit the thing right here and break everything and get sad and then need to come in for service and all that stuff. If that happens, I have a great service team. We have great reviews right now online. We have a great reviews. That sounded stupid. Now right here, we have some nice chairs. These are super comfy. Arctic Fox, like I said, they're all about that homey vibe. They're all about comfort. These are fantastic. I'm a fan. These are one of my favorites. They swivel and they kind of like rock. They recline. That one is not a bed. That one is a recliner. That's like their love seat setup, sort of. Now, it's kind of cool. You have this little secret thing going on. That goes all the way to the floor. You can store a lot of stuff right there if you need to. Inside, what you're seeing right there, those are just bags around the tables. So you know what? Why don't I just show you? Oh, they're not set up. I'm sorry, guys. But I'll kind of show you the idea. But they have to be kind of set up, like installed. There's a pole that goes right here. This pole goes right here, and you stab it into this thing. So it goes, and then it swivels, and you have a little table right here that you can use. Look at that color too. That's good. I like that. I like colors. So these are power. They heat up, they light up, and they massage. So that's super, super nice. Now they have all this lighting too. I love their valances. You notice a quality thing they go for. Look at all these little etches. They always have like graphics that their computer, how do I explain this? It's a CNC machine, so many of you know what that is. If you don't, it's basically like a computer making all the cuts. So they do all these beautiful designs everywhere. They have it right here on the valance right here. So that's really, really cool. It's just a little bit showing you that their computers are making their cuts. Computers are perfect. They use the computers to cut their cabinetry as well. So everything tends to be lined up really, really, really well. Now coming up into here, this is a really, really common layout for a rig this small. But don't get confused, because small is maneuverable and it's nice. People like small. You always sacrifice though, and the inside feels super claustrophobic. I don't feel claustrophobic in this bedroom, and I don't feel claustrophobic in that living room. But when you get this small, you kind of get this bathroom setup, and it works really well because you have your sink right here, and you have your shower right here. Now this is the corner shower. They're kind of nice because you can do this with your arms. So you have like more room. So that's kind of nice. Now you'll notice the bathroom, you're like, where's the toilet? And we're going through the bathroom to the bedroom. You've probably seen some trailers that do that weird floor plan. Now they've separated your toilet into this door. That way it's not a weird experience to walk through. So you do kind of have like a separated toilet area. Now, because they don't have to cram a sink in there or a shower, all that stuff, this is actually a lot of space around that toilet. I will promise you most people will fit right there on that toilet and they can maneuver around and whatever. Now, you do have a separate door right here that you can close if your guests need to use the bathroom and you don't really want to be a part of that experience, then you have the choice to opt out from witnessing that. Also, you have this door right here if you need to close it off right there so that way people can't see you showering and stuff. We don't want that. So now coming into the bedroom, like I said, I don't feel claustrophobic. You'll notice we have curved ceilings. That's going to give me a feeling of more, right? Now also, we talked about this being super Four Seasons. Look how thick the roofs are right here. Nobody's doing that. This is a full walk-on roof. I would jump on this roof. The other full walk-on roofs I would not jump on. So that's massively thick. I love that. Now we have a slide in right here. Slide out, not slide in. What am I saying? This is a king size bed. So it's super nice. Like I said, it's super roomy in this product. Okay. Now if we trade places here, I'll let you see, we have this dresser set up. Look at all that. That's like crafted so well. They're using the plywood right here. Okay. Okay, so you'll have 6 of those total. Your TV can go right here. We chose to not stock one right now. If you need me to put one in before you accept delivery, we can talk about that. That's stuff my shop can handle. And you got these little spots right here. So those do fit like movie-sized things in there if you're still doing that these days. But you know what? They gave you more because more is more, right? More is more is more. This is like my favorite part. This is super quality. This is all fully unfinished cedar closet. Okay guys, I have a terrible sense in smell. I don't smell really anything usually. I can smell this cedar and it's fantastic. So that's gonna be really, really nice. And like I said, it's unfinished, it's unstained. That's super quality. Washer and dryer stackable goes in that corner right there if you want to do that. Now what's cool is that you have this side as well. Right there. Wow, that smells so fantastic. So this is separate from the first doors that I showed you because you have a wall right here. So that's kind of nice. You get the separation. I feel like when you make a big empty box in the front for your closet, a lot of people just stop there. And it's like, that's weird. Then people have to go buy racks that they put in after to like hold their stuff. These guys kind of give you some good shelving. They're just creative. I just like that about it. So over here too, we have this little spot right here. I don't want to miss any storage spots, that's why. But this is a great place to sit and tie your shoes, and then you can throw things in there. I would throw my shoes in there because I don't care. That'd be a good idea. Emergency exit, so you can like jump out and fall to your doom because we're on the top floor, and that doesn't really make sense to me. And then this is something that nobody really does this way. I think it's just really cute and pretty looking. Place to put your phone, basically. Or a cup. If you put a cup here, it's not falling out because it's got this metal thing going on. I really like that. If you notice right here, they got this cushion on the back. If you want to sit up and read a book or whatever, you got this support right there. You got your own little lights that you can like point out and like do whatever you want. So that's really nice. You also have your AC controller mounted on the wall right on that side of the bed. That's nice. You want to just kind of cool off in the middle of the night and you don't want to get up. They just think about that stuff. Why not make it easy? It's not even a hard part, but like nobody does that. So that's super beneficial. So if you have any other questions about this product, I know a lot about how it's built inside the walls, the construction. Well, we kind of ran out of time. So if you want to talk to me, my name is Corey. I know I can help you for sure. So call 541-735-1535. Thank you. Like and subscribe.